The Earth's natural resources are limited and need to be managed carefully and sparingly. And how can we keep them in production and consumption for as long as possible? Welcome to RCERO, the Ljubljana Regional Waste Management Center. The waste processing plant, operated by the public company Voka Snaga, is the most modern waste treatment facility regarding technology in Europe. It provides green employment and demonstrates the principles of the circular economy in a creative way. In 2006, 7 municipalities signed a co-financing agreement. Today, many Slovenian municipalities are involved. RCERO Ljubljana is a unique example of good practice in the field of municipal integration and cooperation and is one of Slovenia's largest cohesion fund environment projects with a total investment of 155 million euros. In Ljubljana, the construction of the plant of the future began in 2014. It became operational only a year later. RCERO Ljubljana processes almost a half of Slovenia's waste. Waste is processed into new materials. The crucial mission is to extract as much useful material as possible from mixed waste and to turn separately collected bio-waste into compost, electricity, and heat. RCERO Ljubljana is a high-performance facility. It is efficient. RCERO Ljubljana is innovative and self-sufficient. It generates its own energy. Most of the seemingly useless mixed waste is processed into recyclable materials or fuel. When waste arrives at the plant, it is unloaded in one of 2 buildings, each of a different color. The orange facilities process organic waste, while the blue facilities process mixed waste. Mixed waste first proceeds to a shredder. From there, it proceeds to a sieve, which separates it according to size. From the sieve, it travels on conveyor belts. Separators above them separate waste based on its characteristics. All separated materials proceed to the recycling facilities. Unrecyclable materials are converted into a fuel that has a similar calorific value to brown coal. All processes are coordinated from the control room, where supervisors monitor the entire plant using cameras. Bio-waste must first be sieved. The smaller particles are ready to go into the bioreactor, while the larger ones go through grinding and further sieving. In the bioreactor, the waste undergoes anaerobic fermentation, just like in the stomachs of ruminants. This generates biogas, which is in turn used to generate electricity and heat. The biomass that leaves the bioreactor is pressed dry, aerated, and left to mature in order to produce compost of the very highest quality. RCERO Ljubljana is a global example of regional integration and cooperation. It renews natural resources, closes the loop, and links reuse and handicrafts. The efficient use of resources is vital to our well-being and Ljubljana for a climate-neutral future. In 2022, Ljubljana was selected by the European Commission as one of the 100 European cities that will serve as a model for other European cities in how to achieve climate neutrality by 2030.